Strong, profitable, innovative, and growing, Enterprise Bank is well positioned to expand and flourish. At Enterprise, we have always believed that strategy and execution are important, but far more critical to our success is our people.
"23 years ago, when Enterprise Bank was founded, it was on an operating philosophy that placed the utmost importance on caring for the well-being of all Enterprise bankers. And that includes being respectful to each other, operating with dignity, passion, and simply settling for nothing but the best and the highest standards of excellence. And this is not only the right way to operate a company and conduct business, but it's also the number one reason for the financial success and growth of our Enterprise Bank."
In September 2010, Enterprise Bank received national recognition as one of the best places to work in America. Enterprise bankers work together on a daily basis to create a winning team.
We have a culture. Our core values are what we follow. And people who are hired by Enterprise know those immediately when they are hired by the bank, that this is what we live and breathe. And we are proud of the awards we have won and the people that we hire because they embrace these core values. They all want to meet the needs and goals of each of our customers.
I think owning our customers' problems until they're solved is what makes us unique.
You know, that's really what makes Enterprise a success.
The Mortgage Center experienced strong growth in 2010 as homebuyers took advantage of favorable housing values and low interest rates.
Mary Lee, is this, pretty much standard?
2010 was a phenomenal year at the Mortgage Center. We collectively originated in excess of $85 million in residential and home equity loans. As a result, we were able to add on substantial fee income to the bank in excess of $700,000, well exceeding our original budget projections.
Online mortgage banking has had a tremendous impact on our ability to expand our mortgage lending footprint.
It has really increased our efficiencies. As you know, last year was a tremendous refinance opportunity. We would never have had the ability to process the amount of loans that we were able to do without the capabilities of online access for our customers.
Enterprise Bank continues to have a significant economic impact on the regions we serve. We originated more than $241 million in commercial loans in 2010.
Enterprise is well positioned in the marketplace to take advantage of the opportunities that are out there as the economy continues to improve and businesses are now looking to maybe expand, add equipment, purchase new real estate. We have 25 seasoned lenders. We take a little different approach. They're not centralized, they're decentralized, so we have them in our branches.
Enterprise Bank, this is David. Can I help you?
They're closer to the businesses, closer to the community, and so they know they have a pulse on what's happening in the businesses, in the communities that they serve. This has allowed us to really continue to grow and expand our marketplace.
Is that ready for finish?
Enterprise continued to see growth in construction lending as well.
2010 was a solid performance year for Enterprise Bank in the construction lending area due to three primary reasons. The first reason was due to the consolidation of the local banking landscape. Second was due to the banks in our area exiting this business line of lending. And third, the bank remained true to its core underwriting lending principles by, for example, lending to the top third of the builders developers in our market area.
Lot 1 down there where the excavators work is also...
Throughout 2010, we remained focused on pursuing new business opportunities by actively engaging existing customers and cultivating new prospects.
I have a great local referral from a CPA, and
Excellent.
I'd like you to take a look at it. I think it's going to be a great opportunity for us.
2010 was an exceptional year for the bank regarding referrals. In 2010, we generated over $118 million worth of bank-wide referrals from our employees, and that represented about a 15% improvement over our 2009 results. In particular, we had an extraordinary year for commercial loan referrals that exceeded over $50 million. Considering the economic environment that we were in, we found this to be a superb performance by the bank.
How you doing? Hey, Dennis, how are you?
Good to see you.
It's been a little while.
Has been. I think that John will tell you that.
To better serve our growing customer base, we seek out convenient branch locations throughout the Merrimack Valley and north central regions of Massachusetts and in southern New Hampshire.
At Enterprise Bank, we see tremendous opportunities in the Route 28 corridor since establishing the Andover, Methuen, Salem, and more recently, the Derry office. With all of the services and products that we offer, that coupled with the excellent reputation the bank has for its knowledgeable, competent, and service-oriented employees.
She's also going to have some lending needs.
In the last year and a half, we opened our second New Hampshire branch in Derry. And this past January, we opened our third New Hampshire branch in Hudson. And we've been extremely well received by the community. We have many existing customers who currently do business in Hudson, and they've been very instrumental in introducing us to a lot of the new customers within the community.
Our longtime customer, Mr. Thompson, came in today and referred one of his friends for a construction loan.
Wonderful. That's great news.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you, Rick?
Wonderful, wonderful. Please come in.
2010 was a pivotal year for Enterprise Bank in Essex County.
Many more loan requests are coming through. Customers are recognizing that they are dealing with a bank that is responsive. Being a community bank, they understand that all of our lenders, all of our officers are involved in the community, embedded in the community, and understand the customers that they are dealing with. 65, probably 70% of my personal portfolio is minority-owned businesses. And it's an aspect of what I do for a living that makes me extremely happy because I am able to help somebody who is coming into this country succeed in helping develop their American dream.
Hi, Cheryl.
Hey, Ray.
How are you today?
We saw renewed growth in our North Central region in 2010 as we built on existing customer relationships and sought out referrals for new customers.
We're taking the names once they get them, then they're doing all the research.
We've exploded. We really have. We've gotten everybody to buy in to what we need to do, to look at the big picture of how it's going to affect them. And I think they all feel that we all have a vested interest in everybody. So, you know, we have a lot of energy. We have some new people that are on our team. So the energy is there, you know, and when you have the energy and you have the passion, then anything can happen.
In Westford, I have a very experienced and diverse team. And between all of us in our branch, we are able to quickly serve customers. They're solution-oriented people. When anything comes up during the day, by the end of the day, we either have an answer for the customer or we've assured them that we're on the road to finding the solution that they're looking for.
There's great news, Wendy. My friend from school is going to sit down with Jamie O'Hearn to talk more about investments.
Enterprise continues to seek out and hire talented and skilled professionals who share our core values and sense of community.
I am so happy I've chosen to come to Enterprise Bank, and I feel that the future is mine to build. The sky's the limit, really. We have so much opportunity as the economy starts to grow. I'm encouraged to do whatever I want to do in my community, to support my community, to be out there, to be visible, to represent the bank, and I'm very excited about it.
We all have different portfolios and we concentrate in different areas of the bank.
We know that our continued success depends upon supporting internal talent as well. Our leadership development program has been successful in building professional capacity and opportunities for a new core of enterprise bankers.
It's been a great experience so far.
And you get to meet.
When I came to Acton, I was new to the market. I wanted a way to meet other young professionals that were ambitious and wanted to be leaders within their own company. So I started the Young Professionals group called YP Connect, and it's under the Middlesex West Chamber of Commerce, and that covers 8 surrounding towns. So we have a lot of new members. So I think it grew from 5 members to over 150 contacts. Within a couple of years, I've been able to meet great people. We've had speakers events. We're planning a networking event in June, and I'm really excited. It's a great way to really develop professionally.
How big of a board is that?
Our team approach to meeting customer needs is part of what drives the continued growth and performance of our investment advisory group. A significant part of that growth comes from the many referrals we receive through our branches and other departments of the bank.
60% of our business is from high net worth individuals. And those individuals, the most important thing that we can do for them and how we know if we're doing a good job for them is whether they trust us with a referral. And about 60% of our new business comes from referrals from existing customer bases.
Just looking at the market.
Our ability to deliver top-notch financial planning and investment advisory services at a local level presents a significant competitive advantage. In 2010, investment assets managed for others totaled more than $493 million, a 14% increase over 2009.
We provide fee revenue for the bank. And in an environment where interest rates are low and spreads and yields are tight for banks, making up additional earnings can be done through organizations like ours. And the growth of our department as an investment advisory is very important to contributing to that.
To ensure our clients receive the best financial products and services available, Enterprise Bank partners with the largest privately held independent broker-dealer in the nation.
Commonwealth Financial is our business partner. They're our broker-dealer. We've been with them for over a decade. They are a very highly regarded firm. They're a $52 billion entity. And what they do is we partner with them and they provide us with a platform of products and services that we can deliver to the clients on a local level. And it's a very top-notch organization that we feel lucky to be able to be a part of.
So when we go to roll out mobile banking...
At Enterprise, we develop technology solutions to improve our products, services, and reach, delivering innovation, convenience, and security for our customers.
At Enterprise Bank, we're always looking for opportunities to enhance our products and services to meet the changing needs of our customers. In May of 2010, we introduced mobile banking. Since its release, the adoption rate has been very strong, both for personal and business banking.
The Enterprise Bank Celebration of Excellence has been a tremendously successful and popular event. It allows us to recognize our community's unsung heroes for their hard work and determination and contributions to the community.
The Celebration of Excellence was created to celebrate the entrepreneurial and community spirit that's all around us and the effects that that has on the communities that we serve. It remains a wonderful opportunity for the bank to position itself as the business bank and the community bank in the markets that we serve. We sincerely hope that all of our shareholders will be able to join us this year, November 9th, at the Celebration of Excellence as we once again honor and recognize the best of our communities.
Since the beginning, we have stayed true to our founding mission to be a new kind of independent, innovative bank, one that values the entrepreneurial spirit and stimulates the economy, helping to create new businesses, meaningful jobs, vibrant communities, and a dynamic work environment where our employees can grow and prosper.
We have such a special, dynamic team of enterprise bankers in place today, individuals with diverse thinking and skill sets, but also individuals who are very like-minded in their values and beliefs. We have the same products and services that the large banks have. However, we deliver them in a much more responsive and customer-focused way. There is also tremendous opportunity in the marketplace itself. The acquisition of several community banks in or adjacent to the areas that we operate in has created a void that we are ready to fill. When you add all of this up, the key ingredient being the great people that we have, I am so overwhelmingly enthused, excited, and optimistic about our future in the years ahead.